What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about WeChat. WeChat is an important social media platform just like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. And it's mostly used in China, Hong Kong, Philippines, Malaysia, etc. To mention, not to mention other countries. But it's an important social media platform that we're going to look at in this video. Many people have been asking if we can be able to change a WeChat ID, if we can be able to change it twice or thrice. And for that matter, I've decided to make this video to answer those kind of questions, how to know your ID or QR ID, etc. So to dive into it, this is the chat part. That is the first part of the WeChat ID that you encounter when you already sign or log in to the WeChat. Remember that I uninstalled my WeChat and then installed so that you can see if what I'm talking about is true and you can confirm all the things that I'm talking about. So this is the front page, the chat page. And when you get a context is a part whereby you see the people that you can connect with, the people, you are able to link your WeChat ID with your contacts so that the people who you have on contacts who are already signed up to WeChat can be displayed on this part. So that is a contacts part, literally having the people that you talk frequently with in your contacts part. Remember that you can also use other features that we're going to see in this video about how you can connect to the people nearby, how you can be able to talk with people even who you don't have their context, which is also an important thing to note when you're talking about this. You can see features like tag, whereby you can be able to tag your friends if you have a post or you have something of that sort. So we're going to see the discover part in a few minutes, but just to stress on it, this is a context part. So in the discover part, you have things like moment, the scan, the check thing that I told you about, and the search. The search is necessarily actually to look for moments, important moments that you want to post, official accounts of people, and the articles that you can be able to read. That is also an important ingredient of the search part of WeChat. The check is actually enables you to check your phone in order to connect with nearby people. Just like scan is a feature that enables you to scan people's QR code to connect with them directly without saving their number or having their contact with you on your phone. That is a scan feature of the WeChat, whereby the moments is just the good moments that you're having that you can post on the WeChat account. So the people nearby are the people that are nearby you that you can be able to connect your WeChat with, and you can be able to communicate with them. So WeChat has this improved search GPS way whereby you can be able to connect with people around you and be able to communicate with them. It's a good feature, trust me, but because this is a new, you can be able to see it because I just told you that I installed the feature so that I can be able to make this tutorial for you guys. So let's go to the most important part whereby people wanted me to discuss about how you can change your WeChat ID, if you can change your WeChat ID twice or once. So it's going to be answered in this video, and probably you can see you get to see your profile picture, your favorites, your posts, your sticky gallery, and the settings. But the settings are just the general settings, changing the font, the landscape, the portrait, how you can be able to customize your front page and the buttons so that they can help you when chatting in your WeChat ID. So you click on the first bar whereby it's where your picture is located. So when you click there, in a moment, so when you click there, you'll be taken to your profile picture, to your name, your WeChat ID, your QR code, and more. We should talk about more in a few. So the profile part is just your profile picture. If you want to change it, if you want to improve it, to add some filters, etc., you can find that in that post. But now when you come to the name, that's just the name that you already signed up with. In the WeChat ID, where you're asked to set the WeChat ID, it's important to know that it's written there that WeChat can only be set once. So that is the question that most of people have been asking, and there is the answer. You can only change your WeChat ID once because you can just put in your characters there where the you can be able to edit, and on the top right corner you can be able to save. So you can change your WeChat ID once, and that is really something I wanted to emphasize. You cannot change it twice, it can only be done once. The QR code is just basically your QR code, so people can be able to scan your QR code and connect to you automatically without anything else. When you go to more is a point whereby you can be able to change things like you just let me click on it. So more, you can be able to change things like gender, if you're male, female, if you're the region where you're located, the WhatsApp, that's actually the status, your current status of how you're progressing over, and the rest. So that is basically located in the first part of the WeChat ID. So basically, guys, that is very important to note, that the most important answer that I gave making this video is how you can be able to change your WeChat ID, and you can only do this once. If you have installed WhatsApp, I would rather say maybe change an account if you want to change your ID, because there is no way, there is no other way you can be able to change, maybe unless you give feedback to the WeChat team so they can be able to change the details for you. Otherwise, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for if you already for watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, so that you can help my channel grow, etc. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.